Hey y'all, this is for those of you who need assistance with making a new tab for a new unit in your Cuaderno. So what I've got here is I have my Cuaderno and it is opened up to my most recent unit. And so you can see this is Aura and Colores. This is what I just happened to have landed on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way down to my tabs on the bottom. So I've got Saludos and Expresiones. I have my example, but I want to be on my last tab, the very last unit that I worked on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this little downward facing button. Okay. I'm going to click on it and you see the word duplicate. Okay. So then I have copy of Aura and Colores. And then depending on whatever the assignment is for this, or not the assignment, but the unit is for this particular, like the title of the unit, what we're doing right now. So we had greetings and courtesy expressions, time and color. This particular one, we're going to rename it to El Cuerpo y la Salud. And then just hit enter. So there's all sorts of things you can do with this downward button. We can delete this tab. We can duplicate the tab. We can rename the tab. We can make it a pretty color if you like. All sorts of stuff. We can move it to the left, move it to the right. It can't go any further right because it's the very last tab, etc. And so now we have this copied tab that is brand new, but it still has all the old stuff. Theoretically, if I had a bunch of stuff on this tab, so if I had all this stuff on this tab that I need to get rid of it. Okay, well, yeah, I need to get rid of all this junk here. What I'm going to do to get rid of it, I'm going to highlight everything that needs to be gotten rid of. And then I'm just going to hit my backspace key, okay, on my Chromebook. And that's going to get rid of everything on this tab, okay? But then I still have all this stuff that we created in drawings or these pictures that we uploaded, these images. As long as I click on it, these three dots should appear. And then I hit delete and I click on it, three dots, delete. And then I have an empty tab. From there, I can start taking notes and I'm good to go. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. See you all later. Love you. Bye.